Hey, Amy from Blossoming Life here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own reusable or disposable baby wipes. Alright, so all you need to make your own homemade baby wipes is distilled water, castile soap, olive oil, witch hazel, and lavender essential oil, which is totally optional. You could also use a different essential oil if you like to, as long as it is safe for babies. And usually they don't really recommend using essential oils on babies until at least around 6 months of age. So it's up to you if you decide to use that. Now there is two ways of going about this. You can do it reusable or disposable. So you can just make a wipe solution and put it in like a spray bottle and then spray it on your baby's butt every time you go to wipe them, or you can put the solution over on top of the reusable or disposable wipes. And one way using disposable wipes is by using paper towels. So you can cut this in half, remove the center cardboard, and then soak the solution over top. So one reason you want to use distilled water is because you don't want any bacteria growth, which normal tap water can have in it, especially you're using it on your baby. So do make sure to use that. But this is really inexpensive and totally natural. You can find out more information on the blog about why it's a good idea to use your own wipe solution, especially if you are going the natural route. So all you have to do is add everything to a jar and mix it up. Now, like I said, you can pour it over your wipes, or you can put it in a spray bottle and spray it on your baby's butt. First thing you're gonna do is put 1 cup of distilled water into the jar. Now this is where I made it easy because we're just gonna use a tablespoon. And you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, 1 tablespoon of castile soap, apparently, or more. That's okay. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So all these ingredients are really easy to find. You can find them at pretty much most stores. The witch hazel, you can find it in like the pharmacy section usually. Oh, look at that, just barely make it. The castile soap, you can find it online, you can find it at your local store. I like to use our local co-op a lot. I actually got a really great deal on these. I think they were like $7 a piece during a clearance sale. So I stocked up when I could. And then you can add about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Now all you do is you shake it up. And every time you go to use it, especially like before you pour it over, or if you're going to use it in a spray bottle, shake it up each time before you use it. And that's it. So simple, so easy, natural, save you money. Thanks for stopping by Blossoming Life, where we share one DIY project, natural product, or recipe a week. Make sure to subscribe.